Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how you can create a reload task. So over to here you have an option called task. Click on that. Now you will have an option to create a reload task. To create a reload task, on the bottom you will have a reload task button. Click on that. You will be redirected to a different form. Over to here you need to give a name for your reload app. Have given a name. Now it's telling you to select an application. Click on that. Select an application that you want to reload. Let's say I just select this particular application here, and now you need to specify the time. So you want to just trigger it hourly, you want to daily trigger, weekly, monthly, or whatever it is. Let's say I want a daily trigger, which is usually the case. Over to here I'll double click, but this is the current time that it is showing of my system. Then you have to change this time appropriately. Let's say I want it in morning at 5 a.m. starts from, let's say, tomorrow, and I want every one day, so that this is every day. If I do 2, then it will start in 13th, then it will start in 15, every odd day basically. It will like that, it will do, but we want every day. We are going to select that, apply, and you are done. That's it. This is how you do create a reload application. If you want to create a reload application which is to be linked, basically chaining. So let's say after this reload is done, then you want to create a chain also. How you can do that? Over here you need to have you will get an option to create a task event. Click on that, give it a name, let's say test. Add a new task. Over here you will have an option to select a task. Let's say this particular task. So when this reload is successful, then this task will run. Okay, and based on that you can add a number of tasks. So you need to make sure that if you add 5 or 10 tasks here, when this application, this particular application or this particular reload task is completed, then these set of tasks which are applied here will run automatically. And if you have any chaining task within those tasks also, that will run also concurrently or independently. So there are a lot of the cases where your task might go into queue also. Okay, so queue means that it will give you a status where it has a bunch of status where it will say the task is successful, failed, or it was never started, or it is in reloading right now, or it is in queue. Queue means that it is waiting for some of the application to get the reload task over, the schedule over, and when that scheduler is over, one task is removed from the scheduler, another task after that particular task will automatically be in the started state. Okay, over to here you have an option to download the script log. You can just hit download and you will get a .log file where you can see that what was the issue and you can resolve that issue. Okay, so this is the basic about the reload task.